In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now before creating a new one, hit those three dots at the top right one. Now click on Settings and adjust all of those under Alarms however you wish to, like for example Snooze. When you finished, go back and use this button with a plus at the bottom to create new alarm. Begin by setting up an hour at the top. Then click on days of the week that you wish to set up and tap on ringtone. Over here you can click on Add New at the top and pick any song from your device, or apply one of those sounds the same way. Then click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. Hit Label and label your alarm however you wish to. Then hit OK. Now it's time to save your alarm by clicking on Save option at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can make some changes by clicking on it, changing wherever you wish to, and tapping on Save again. If you wish to disable your alarm, tap on this orange switcher next to it and click on the same now grey one to switch it on. Lastly, to delete one of your alarms completely, hold the chosen one and tap on this pin icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!